Welcome to the top best. The best LEGO dirt bike is probably one of the most exciting and intricate building experiences available for LEGO enthusiasts of all ages, offering a fantastic blend of creative construction and imaginative play that captures the thrill and ruggedness of real-world motocross, making it a standout addition to any LEGO collection and a perfect gift for aspiring builders and LEGO fans alike who appreciate detailed models and the joy of assembling something truly impressive. Number 5. LEGO City Police Tow Truck Trouble 60137. Get ready for an exciting chase. Build a powerful tow truck and two speedy police bikes. Can you catch the crook and recover the stolen safe? This tow truck is equipped with a movable tow arm, hook, and chain, perfect for hauling away the safe. It's designed for thrilling play scenarios. Join the adventure with included male and female police officers, plus a sneaky crook minifigure. Don't forget the cool gear and accessories to enhance your play. Compatible with all LEGO construction sets, this toy offers endless possibilities for creative building. Let your imagination run wild. The tow truck measures over 2 inches high and 4 long, while the bikes are over 1 high and 2 long. These dimensions are perfect for little hands. With 144 pieces, this building toy is ideal for both boys and girls aged 5 to 12. It's a great way to develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. What we like. This set offers a fun chase scenario right out of the box. If you're looking for a quick and engaging play experience with characters included, this is a great choice. It's perfect for younger builders who enjoy imaginative police and rescue adventures. What people say. The motorcycles are a dirt bike and a sport bike. They are both unique in their design and build. The smaller motorcycle is impressive as this style and coloring are quite rare. The criminal's truck has a nice hook on the back which adds a nice level of playability. Number 4. LEGO Technic Kawasaki Ninja H2R Motorcycle 42170. Experience the thrill of building the iconic Kawasaki Ninja H2R motorcycle. This rewarding project is perfect for young builders aged 10 and up. This 1:8 scale model captures the essence of the real motorcycle with incredible attention to detail. It even includes a kickstand for proud display. Explore a world of realistic details, including working steering, suspension, a 2-speed gearbox, and a 4-piston engine with a turbocharger. Admire the custom decoration on the special windshield element and the authentic Kawasaki logos adorning the fuel tank. Surprise the vehicle and toy enthusiast in your life with this fantastic motorcycle gift. It's the perfect present for birthdays and special occasions. Enhance your building journey with the intuitive LEGO Builder app. Zoom, rotate, and track your progress as you develop new skills. What we like. This model boasts incredible realism with its detailed engine and gearbox. If you are a fan of intricate building and want a display-worthy replica of a high-performance motorcycle, this is the set for you. It's ideal for older builders who appreciate complex mechanics and a challenging project. What people say. The LEGO Technic Ducati Panigale V4R is a fantastic build, with a working gearbox and suspension. The details on the LEGO Technic Ducati Panigale V4R are incredible, from the realistic engine to the movable parts. This LEGO set is a great display piece, with its accurate proportions and vibrant colors. Number 3. LEGO NINJAGO Cole's Dirt Bike 70672. Get ready for epic desert battles with this awesome ninja dirt bike. It's equipped with stud shooters, caterpillar tracks, and cool gold-rimmed wheels for thrilling adventures. Join the action with 3 new minifigures. You get ninja heroes Cole and Kai, armed with katanas, and the formidable pyro destroyer ready for combat. This ninja vehicle is built for speed and battle. It features a powerful scimitar, a sturdy shield, and protective armor elements for the ultimate showdown. Measuring over 2 inches high and 7 inches long, this toy is perfectly sized for imaginative play. It's designed for builders aged 8 and up. With 212 pieces, this building kit offers hours of fun. It can be combined with all other original LEGO sets and bricks for endless creative possibilities. This is more than just a toy, it's an invitation to a world of ninja adventures. Perfect for fans and kids of all ages who love to build and play. What we like. Experience epic desert battles with this ninja-themed dirt bike. If you love the NINJAGO universe and enjoy action-packed play with cool features like tracks and shooters, this set is a must-have. It's perfect for fans aged 8 and up who want to recreate their favorite ninja adventures. What people say. The LEGO dirt bike is a fantastic set with intricate details and a functional suspension system that mimics real dirt bikes. Building the LEGO dirt bike was a rewarding experience, and the final model looks incredibly authentic with its realistic tires and engine components. The playability of the LEGO dirt bike is excellent, with moving parts and a sturdy construction that allows for dynamic posing and imaginative play. Number 2. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Superbike 31114 Toy Motorcycle Building Kit. Get ready for endless creative building with this amazing 3-in-1 set. You can build a modern motorbike, a classic motorcycle, or even a futuristic hover bike. Imagine thrilling adventures as you race around the track on a cool motorbike. Or, take to the skies on a speedy hover bike for out-of-this-world fun. This building set is the ultimate reward for kids who love toy motorbikes and creative play. It's perfect for ages 8 and up. It's the perfect portable size for playing at home or taking to a friend's house. Enjoy building and playing wherever you go. This toy features moving handlebars and working suspension for an exciting play experience. Plus, it includes a kickstand for proud display. With 236 pieces, the possibilities are endless. Build it, rebuild it, and let your imagination soar. What we like. Unleash your creativity with 3 different build options in one set. If you enjoy variety and want to build not just a superbike but also a hoverbike, this is the perfect choice. It's great for imaginative builders aged 8 and up who love to switch up their creations and play on the go. What people say. The LEGO Technic Ducati Panigale V4R is a fantastic build, with intricate details that make it look just like the real motorcycle. The model features a working gearbox, clutch, and suspension, all of which are accurately replicated from the actual bike. The stickers are high quality and easy to apply, adding to the overall realism of the model. Number 1. LEGO City Stunt Team Bike Toy 60255. Get ready for action-packed fun with this awesome stunt team toy. It's a perfect introduction to the exciting world of LEGO City. This set includes everything a child needs for independent play. You'll find a cool stunt ATV, a motorcycle, and 2 stunt driver minifigures with helmets, plus a ramp with flames. Kids can combine these vehicles and characters with other LEGO sets. This allows them to create their own unique designs for play or display. This easy-to-build set sparks imagination and offers endless build and play fun. It's an action-filled gift for kids who love stunt shows. Ideal for kids ages 5 and up, especially those who enjoy stunt motorcycles and ATVs. It's a great holiday, birthday, or any-day gift. Once built, the ATV measures over 4 cm high, 5 cm long, and 4 cm wide. The toy motorcycle is over 3 cm high, 6 cm long, and less than 2 cm wide. What we like. Get ready for thrilling stunt action with this compact set. If you're looking for a quick and exciting build that inspires imaginative play, this is it. It's ideal for younger children aged 5 and up who love performing stunts and creating their own action-packed scenarios. What people say. The LEGO Technic Ducati Panigale V4R is a fantastic build with great detail. The model features a working gearbox, steering, and suspension, just like the real bike. It's a challenging but rewarding build for experienced LEGO fans. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.